You can see that my house is a complete wreck. Hey y'all, welcome to a day in the life with me and my crazy boys. It's already past 12, it is almost nap time, so I'm gonna go in there and take a nap with Ollie and with Parker because they will not nap unless I'm in there with them for some reason. I don't know why. But I will take you on this crazy day with me. There's going to be a lot of cleaning motivation in this video. We're going to figure out what we're going to do for dinner and for lunch. We got to go and pick up some stuff to do that. And I just thought I'd take you on the day with us. More! Hey! Hey! Did you have a good nap? Huh? You ready to get up? Are you ready to get up?
You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine. But I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe, 'cause I want you. Here with me, I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love. I look at you and know it's alright. You read my mind, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe, 'cause I want you. Here with me, I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love. I don't need another love. Yeah. We do this every day. We do this love for life. You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine. But I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe, 'cause I want you. Here with me, I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love. You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine.
Parker, what do you have on? You got on your glasses? You look so cute with your glasses on. Parker, go throw that away. Go throw that away for mommy. Yeah, go throw it away. Thank you so much. He's such a good helper. He found his glasses in the car, and now he's wearing his glasses again, so hopefully he'll leave them on. You gonna show everybody your glasses again? Yeah. Sit on my feet. We are about to head to go get some groceries. We're gonna go to the Piggly Wiggly, and we gotta get a money order for our rent. Yeah. So let's go. So we're home, and we got this to eat. The cheesecake filling. I know we're gluttons. Do what? Supposed to be eating healthy, but it's okay to indulge. Let's try it. See if it tastes good. Ooh. I felt that. Good stuff. Good stuff. Well, we got rid of the toddler. Not for good. We ran into my Momo, and he wanted to go with her, so he's staying the night with my Momo. Which he does that about once a week because they just have such a good bond, and I don't want to break that up. I miss him. It's weird when he's not here because it's kind of quiet, but you know. So Jared is about to make some chili. I'm going to show you what he does to make the chili, and yeah, we're just going to have a chill night. Hey dear heart, tell him what you're doing.
I'm gonna make chili.
Tell him how.
With beans. I'm gonna make chili. I'm gonna throw some beans. I'm gonna throw some powder, some Lowry's.
Okay. So he has, look at the mess that we have. Anyway, chili beans, black beans, and some pinto beans, ground beef, and then we just got the mild chili seasoning with Dale's, and here's more kidney beans, and yeah, and he's just gonna throw it all in the crock pot. Ain't that right?
Well, after I brown the meat.
Yeah, after he browns the meat. Got him to take his second nap of the day. He's so precious. So I think the chili is done. Let's go see. Is it done?
No.
No? Are you lying? You're a liar! You lied to me! Let's show him how good it looks. Ooh. You used all these?
No, I didn't use any of that.
Oh, so you just didn't put it up?
Yeah. We need to put the spices somewhere else. It doesn't need to be on top of the oven where I can't reach or see any of them.
Why? Because you're short. Time to get this little one ready for bed. Yeah, I better go bed so mommy can clean out the fridge. Yay! Good night, everybody. What a sweet husband. Tim's doing the dishes.
I didn't know something was wrong. Here I was dreaming we got along so perfectly and wordlessly. Had I been there some of the time, I would have seen all of the signs of stuck in my head, like an all out, drawn out goodbye. Like an all out, drawn out goodbye. Call out to everyone I know, buy me a drink and help me let go of the suffering. Oh, help me get back again, 'cause we had love enough, a bit of time, a bit of luck. Now I'm dreaming up peace of mind, getting unstuck. I don't know how to start over with someone else. Thinking of you is still making me breathless. We had it good, baby, we had it bad. I let you go, now you're stuck in my head, like an all out, drawn out goodbye. Like an all out, drawn out goodbye. Like an all out, drawn out goodbye. I didn't know something was wrong. Here I was dreaming we got along so perfectly and wordlessly. Had I been there some of the time, I would have seen all of the signs of our fall.
Alright, y'all, so the house is clean. Ollie is asleep. Now I think we're just gonna chill out for the rest of the night, maybe play some video games. I'm tired, I'm exhausted, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.